Hello everyone. So if you want to recover your Samsung account, there are a couple of ways to do it. So I'll show you how to do them here from Samsung's official website. So first, let's recover your Samsung account ID using your mobile number or email hint. So first, you need to open settings and then zoom in so you can see it better. So just open settings and then select Samsung account and then you need to click this option here that says forgot password or didn't don't have an account. Then just press forgot ID. And if you want to use an email ID hint, just go back and then same click on here and then click continue and then review the email IDs list and then tap sign in now to sign in to your account. And you can also recover by secondary phone number or email address. So enter your recovery phone number, the secondary one, and or the recovery email, which is also a secondary one. Then tap continue. Then verify that it is you. Then add your date of birth, first name, last name, and then a text message will be sent to that mail or phone number. Just verify the code or email, and then check your information below, and you'll find the ID. Then tap sign in now to sign into your account. So if you forgot your Samsung password, follow the steps. So same, just you need to go to the Samsung account option and then click forward password and then this one here. You need to add your account ID, then click forward password. Sorry. Then there will be an option to reset your password. Just enter your ID, reset the password, and rest of the steps are pretty self-explanatory. You can also reset your password through primary email. Same method. Just enter your primary email, and you can also password by a security question. So they have a lot of options to reset them. Just make sure you answer them correctly. And there's also an option to reset your password by recovery email, the same as before. How you recovered that Samsung ID, you can also use those methods to reset the password. You can see recovery by recovery email and by recovery phone number. Same steps, no changes, and pretty self explanatory. And that's all there is to it. And also in the next video.